what do you see here? Well, we see a variety of dishes. And what is common among all of them? Well, if you see closely, all these dishes are accompanied by a glass of water. So you see, whatever type of food you eat, the one thing that is common is water. You will always have water, whatever you eat, because water is a very important thing for our survival. Have you ever imagined that can you really survive without water for an entire day? Not really. Without water, your survival will be very difficult. In fact, water is a unique thing because of which our planet Earth supports life. You see, we have 8 planets in our solar system, but among these 8 planets, Earth is the only one that supports life, and that's because Earth has usable water on it. So you see, water is a very important thing for survival, very important thing for life. In fact, water is so precious that sometimes water is also termed as life. So you see, Earth is the only planet in the solar system that supports life because it has usable water on it. So, Earth is the only planet in the solar system to have usable water. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, it is definitely true. Earth is the only planet which has usable water in the solar system, and that's why Earth is very unique. Now, you see, Earth supports a variety of life, right from plants to animals to we human beings, and all of us coexist or survive on this planet because we have supply of water, we have access to water. Water is very important for life. But why is it so important? Well, have you ever noticed whenever you are tired, what do you want to have first? Well, you want to have some water. In fact, if you see somebody else who is very tired, water is the first thing which you offer because water is very, very important. When you are ill and you're not able to have anything, that is, not able to have any food, what do you have? Well, you are offered water because you can still survive without food for some time, but you need water. In fact, even to get well, you need to take medicines, and you take medicines with the help of water. So water again is very important for our survival. Now, when somebody comes to your home, what is the first thing which you offer? You offer them water because they have traveled to your home and they must be tired. And when they are tired, first thing they look for is water. So once you offer water, they feel refreshed. So the first thing which you offer your guests is water because water is very precious and important to all of us. And not only these, whatever activity you do in the entire day, whether you bathe or you cook or you are simply thirsty or you're washing your clothes, you need water. Without water, we cannot survive. Every activity involves water. So water is very important for us. Now, can you tell me, can plants survive without water? Not really. Now, if you do not water plants for some days, you will see that the plant droops because even plant requires water. So even they cannot survive without water. Have you ever noticed whenever there is rainfall, then all the roadside plants and trees, they look very fresh, green and lively. That's because even they enjoy the rainfall just like us, and water is equally important to them. So when they get supply of water, they are very happy because they are getting supply of life. Water is nothing but life for all of us. And not only plants, all the different animals, you will notice that even they enjoy the rainfall because even they survive on water. So a supply of water for them is equally important. So even they are dependent on water as much as we are. Here we see the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Now, even he survived for 21 days without having food because he fasted for the independence of our country. But do you think he could have survived the same time without having water? Not really, because we can survive without food for some time, but not without water. Water is very precious for our life. So, if you are hungry and you don't get food for some time, you can still survive, but not without water. And that's why in many parts of India, where supply of water is not enough for people, people stand in queues for hours to get some amount of water so that they can survive. Water is so precious. When you are tired and you get some water, you instantly feel energized because water is almost equal to life for us, and not only us but also for different plants and animals. So you see, whatever activity we do in the entire day, water is an important part of most of the events. For example, when you are bathing, or you are cooking, or you are washing your clothes, or you are simply thirsty, you will need water. Water is very important for all the different forms of life on planet Earth. And water is one of the things that makes the Earth a unique planet in the solar system. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.